it's Christina and welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, it has been quite a while since I filmed a video, but today we're gonna do an unboxing based on the title down below. So we're gonna unbox the ENHYPEN Lightstick. But before we do, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to get notified whenever I post or upload a new video. So let's go. Okay, so here is the package. Ayan, it's been delivered by JRS. So actually, this package, I was hoping it would take about a week, but it didn't. It just took 5 days. So it came from Manila. 5 days is quite quick na. And I got this from the shop called Purple Shop PH. You can find them on Twitter. I'll link them down below. Maybe you guys are interested and you can go check them out. Got my cutter ready. Don't worry, this is already disinfected. Oh my god. Sige, let's open na. My excitement. And let's disinfect it once again. Kasi yung outer layer lang yung nag-disinfect. Here's my alcohol. Let's go. Perfect. Yan. Pati phone ko na-disinfect. Okay. Wow. Be careful na hindi ma-damage yung nasa loob. Oh my god, guys. Wow. Let's just put this on here. Wow. Oh my god, disinfect once again. Mas ang gaan niya, guys. Yeah. Uy, may freebie! Oh my god, sino to? Oh my god, sino kaya to? Wait, hirap yung... Well protected siya, guys. It's well protected. Talaga, binalat ng bubble wrap. At least hindi damage yung box ng Lightstick. Oh my goodness! Uy, ang ganda! Hindi ako makaget over. Parang si Son. Oh my god. Uy, ang ganda! Ang cute! I got Son. Ay, ang gwapo. Our sunshine. Oh my gosh. Uy, ang ganda oh. May ganong effect. Okay, so let's set that aside. Pang thumbnail. Wait lang. Pang thumbnail. Oh, diba? Ganun! Tapos, ang ganda, guys. Official Lightstick. Yan. Then, on the top, ano to? At least sealed. It's sealed. I think, ganun naman sa tiyan. And then, underneath. Okay. Uy, ang ganda! Ang ganda! Ang ganda. Yun na lang. Yun na lang sabihin ko lahat. Okay, so let's open this. Wait, let me just read. If, I don't know. Also, I do know this has an app then, so we'll just connect it after we open it. Ayan. Let's go. Oh my god. Let's be careful. Uy, ang ganda ng box. Parang ayokong masira. Paano ba to? Hindi ko mabuksan sa sobrang fit. Dun-dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Oh my god, it's here! So it has that protection. Merches. Oh my god. Uy, ang ganda. So, like that. Okay, wait lang. Tabi muna natin yan. Set aside. And then what do we have? Alam mo guys, I really didn't watch any unboxing of this kasi gusto ko talaga ma-shock ako. So I think that's basically it sa loob. Okay. Set this here. So we have this manual. Yes, it's the ENHYPEN manual. Ayan. ENHYPEN. Basically, yeah, the quick start guide. Oh my god, ang ganda. Okay, let's put that back. My photo cards. At this guys, yung photo cards, pito. Yung pito nga sila. The strap. Maligdad ba? Yan, ENHYPEN. Taran. Then, of course, to. ENHYPEN. And the bag. Put that there. Smells new. Okay, let's do the unboxing of the photo cards. Oh my god, the first time ko ito makita. Yan. So, sabay tayo. Season. Guwapo. Si Jay. Oh, by age. And then we have Jake. Oh, my bias! Lahat sila guwapo, guys. Ang hirap mamili ng bias. Si Sunghoon. And then, Sono. Ang cute. Then we have Jungwon. And then Nikki. Oh my god! Uy, ang ganda! Tapos, they have their names at the back. You know. They have their names at the back. Diba? Diba? Ang cool. And then my hyphen. So that's that. Now it's time for the Lightstick! Oh my god. At least ang first photo cards ko to. Nila. So happy. Oh my god, paano ba to? Okay. The Lightstick. So it's protected by this, I don't know what you call this. It's like a manipis na styro. Wow! Wow! Uy, ang ganda! That's how it looks. Ayan o. Because I'm not quite sure how to connect this yet. So we'll read the instruction manual. So let's connect this. There we go. And then, when you go attend their concert, put this, ano ba? Hindi ko masuot. Uy, ang ganda! Okay, let's put some batteries. Of course, I'm ready. Ako pa? Charam! May price pa yung batteries ko. Okay. 3 AAA batteries ata ang kailangan dito. So, dito ba sa ilalim? Okay. Okay. Guys, sobrang excited ako. Just put this here, the batteries in here. As usual. Parang mas upgraded na siya. So, Once ay sinalpa ko na. Okay, wait lang. Let me get the manual. Let's read. Bottom 1. Huy, ang liwanag sis ha. Pwedeng flashlight. Tas I think this, you know, kita niyo guys? Wait lang, paano ba? Like this. Oh, cool! Siguro pag gabi to guys, ang ganda. So, that's that. And then, I think we can also connect this to Bluetooth. Wait lang. It becomes blue. Then, oh my god! What color is this? I don't know, but it's just gorgeous. Oh my god. Hindi mabigyan ng justice. Hala, ang ganda! 3 colors. 4. 5. 6. 7. 7 colors for each member, I think. I don't know, basta. Wow! That is so cool. What else? Aurora mode. How do you do that? Oh! I got it! Ang ganda! Wow! It's so pretty. Hindi mabigyan ng justice kasi maaga pa. But anyway, maybe I'll put this on Instagram, on my story. Ang ganda! Ang ganda! Hoy! Hindi ko ma-explain yung beauty niya. So, ayan. So, next we're gonna connect it to the Bluetooth app. Okay. So, by the way, may bias. O, diba? Pakita ko na lang dito inyo. So, Bluetooth. I don't even know how. Let me just try and connect it. Ang hirap. Wait, I think I need to use the app. So, I downloaded the app. Ayan siya. ENHYPEN app. So, self mode. Okay, so press button 1 to turn on. Then press button 1 or 2. Simultaneously. Oh! Bluetooth pairing request. Okay. Okay. Found your lightstick. Sorry. Oh my god, what's coloring in the lightstick is like blinking on the app. Yes! Wow! You can change the brightness. Pwedeng dull. Pwede lang siyang dull and super bright, di ba? Ang cool. Yan yung app. Self mode. And then, you can change the colors. Uy, ang ganda pastel purple. Pero walang justice. Wow! So, battery could I was at 42%. That's cool. We need to replace the battery during concert. Okay, that's nice. Basically, that is it for this unboxing. Yay! Oh my god, that is the end of this video. If you guys liked it, please give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!